Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the white texture gel paint from Madam Glam to create beautiful nail art. I will be using my flat plaid brush to do the nail art, and I am just putting some of that white texture gel paint onto my ring palette so I have it there to hand and I don't have to keep dipping into the pot, and this way I can avoid contamination. So on my base, I used blueberry cream and meat me in New York, ombred it together, and I am working on a velvet matte surface. I'm using my striping brush now to just give my petals some more definition, and that is totally optional. But this is just showing you what you can do with the Madam Glam white texture gel paint to just add more depth and texture to your art. The texture gel paint, I would say, is definitely beginner friendly. I believe you can pick that up and just use it and not have any problem, and you'll just create beautiful art. So I'm going to show you something else that you can do using the texture gel paint, and it's really optional. Now while the gel paint is still wet, I just got some fairy glitter, really fine fairy glitter. I dipped my brush into it and I just tapped the brush over the wet gel. And you just put your desired amount. I didn't want it too much. It was just 2 taps and that was perfect. And then I cured for a full 60 seconds. But just for good measure, because I've added something into the texture gel, I did another 60 seconds. For the pistil or the center of the flower, I'm using the texture gel paint and I have mixed in some yellow cab with that. So that's something that you can also do with the white texture gel paint. You can add color into it. It does change the viscosity of it, but it will still add some texture to your art. So I cured that for 60 seconds and that was fine. And then I just added a few caviar beads. Again, that's optional. I didn't top coat it, I left it matte, and I think it absolutely looks beautiful. The texture gel definitely adds texture to your art, and it's so easy to use. Thank you so much for watching. Please catch me in the next one. Bye.